This presentation is done over the Night Cafe. This is done by me, Devin Medlin. So what is the Night Cafe? The Night Cafe was a painting done by Vincent van Gogh in September of 1888 while he was living in Arles. That year Van Gogh had moved to the room at the Café de la Guerre, where the room depicted in this painting was. The medium of this painting is oil on canvas. So what is seen in this picture is that in the middle of the room there is a pool table that is not being used, with a white man standing next to it. The walls are lined with tables and chairs. Some are occupied by people and some are just empty and the chairs are brought out. Most of the figures are men, but there is one woman at one of the tables. Standing close to the pool table is a standing figure who is wearing white, who is depicted as the owner of the cafe. On the far wall by the door there is a bar that has a vase of flowers on the top. Something special that's shown in this painting is that Vincent van Gogh's painting was very dark and it had a sad appearance to it. This was the feeling that he got from making this painting and what he got from this room. He believes that this room would ruin people's lives, as he said. It was a very dark place if you came here. This is due to the blood red walls and the battle of the colors, the greens and the reds that don't contrast well together. Vincent van Gogh called this painting ugly, and it was the ugliest painting he had ever made because of the feeling that he got from this room and the people that came to this room. And that this painting depicts a bad environment, or that something is not going right in your life if you're in this cafe at night. What I like about the Night Cafe is that, in my opinion, it looks very well put together. I like the room in general. It's a very flowing picture. Every single thing, you find new things in each different thing that you look at. So on the tables you would see the chairs pulled out, things thrown around a little bit, all the empty drinks, things like that. This painting also looks very aesthetically pleasing to the way it flows. Even though Van Gogh calls it ugly, I think the room looks like a night cafe really would. Kind of like a dark jazz place, something like that. The justification that this painting is a true valid piece of art is due to his post-impressionism. After looking at this painting, a deeper meaning is found, and it radiates an unhappy feeling, with the blood red walls and the yellow floors. Van Gogh calls it the ugliest painting he's ever found and how it ruins people's lives. And Van Gogh also creates his own perspective and feeling of this room through this painting. And this is my Works Cited page. Thank you.